and check out Michelle's shop here. And she's got some mink lashes for quality for queens. All right, Michelle, let's check it out here. So let's check this one out here. The first one, of course, Michelle, we'll get to you right here. So we got mink lashes, crowned 20 millimeters, 60 eyelash extensions, natural or dramatic. So on this one here, I mean, I'm not an experienced lash purchaser, so I don't know if these are like 6D. Um, I don't know what all these phrases mean, but unless it's something that, girls are familiar with and they know to search those up. We got some twins, the Michelle twins in here. So unless people know about those keywords like 20 millimeters, 60, and they're getting really precise in the search results, you might not need to have them there. So let's search your first one here. Let's just search the first keyword, mink lashes. And okay, we got 10,741 results. So that's a good keyword, a lot of opportunity right there. Lots of searches. And yours right here. Yeah, your photo, I think is a great photo because it shows the lashes, it shows your face, and it looks great. So yeah, a lot of different people are doing something kind of similar. So crown. Let's see. Mink lashes crown. What does that stand for? So 282 results. So I don't know if that's just the name I gave them. Okay. So the issue with giving them a name is unless you're selling an iPhone and everybody knows what the name of the product is, it doesn't really help because you're not people don't know of the name crowned. So I like it and it's fine here in your image because it's not something people are searching for. But in this spot right here, it kind of clogs the drains a little bit. And it's not really going to benefit you to have the word crowned there unless your product is so popular, like I don't remember what product. What is the Kylie Jenner sold some products and it was like Kylie Cosmetics or something. And obviously people know Kylie Cosmetics because she's super famous, but it's not going to work so well in the keywords up here. It's perfect for your description. I would put it in your description and be like the crowned lashes, this and that, or so wonderful, and you're gonna look amazing. But right here, I don't think it's quite so necessary. Now let's look up this keyword right here. So we got 20 millimeter lashes, and let's see. 923 results. So it's an okay keyword. However, I would just put the keyword lashes right there. So I would do 20 millimeter. So let me kind of show you how I would change your listing title right here. I would pretty much go the first keyword, mink lashes, great. And then the next one, I would do 20, you could do 20 millimeter lashes. That's got 923 results. So you could just put the same keyword in there again. Eyelash extensions. Let's check that one. Let's see. Eyelash extensions. I'm sure that one's a big keyword. So that one's 11,000. So a great keyword right there. Eyelash extensions. And then Michelle has some good ideas. So we could try let's see some of these other ones. Fluffy lashes. Woo, Tanya, get that cha-ching. I'm glad. Congratulations to Tanya, cha-chinging on the workshop, getting those sales. So right here, we got another keyword, fluffy lashes. That's a wonderful keyword for you. 2,200 results. I would put that in there. And then the other one, what was the other one we had? Bougie. There we go. Who doesn't want to get some bougie lashes? 648. Well, I guess not everybody. It's an okay keyword. Not the best. But now let's try dramatic because that's what it's all about. We want the drama. Dramatic lashes. 1983. So a simple way to do this is to just go out there and find the keywords and your keywords right here. This 20 millimeter, I think only had like 900. So honestly, I would do mink lashes because that one has 10,000 results. So it's a big, beautiful keyword. And then I would probably go fluffy lashes, dramatic lashes, bougie lashes, and then you could try some of the other ones, natural lashes, mink lashes, and so on. But I think you get the idea. Those keywords there are going to be better for you than, the 20 millimeter lashes, because 20 millimeter was not that big. It's actually still a good keyword because it's very precise and it's very relevant at 928. But fluffy and dramatic are going to be better for you. All right, let's get back to it. So we've got one sale so far. I think you're doing a great job. I think, let's see, what was the one sale we got so far? Was on the satin bonnet. And that thing, there we go. Okay. So Crown Elite. Crown Elite by Marie. Queen lashes. Tanya's got another idea. So, what I would recommend for you on these ones, let's see, what was the renewal date on this one? February 2nd. So, since you are trying to crack into, a new market here, you want to renew these pretty frequently. But I think the biggest opportunity for you is to go in there, add in, the keywords, refine the keywords, and make sure they're real precise. Probably could cut out some of this other stuff like 6D and things like that are just more precise than necessary. And then if there's any way to get your shipping costs down, that would be really good as well. I see some of these other ones out here. If you're competing with a lot of other people and they're selling their stuff for like $6 and $4, it is going to be a challenge for you to sell yours at a higher price. So maybe you have to include more lashes into the container, or just give them better instructions. I think one of the things that girls would love to see would be if you showed them instructions for how these are going to be, how they're going to put it together, how they're going to put this on their face. That would be really nice, because I don't see any of these listings show instructions off. I think that's one of the things people just don't show off very much. So some instructions would be really nice to have, because that's going to calm the concern of, well, how do I actually do this? And I don't think a lot of people are answering that question. So if you show them a little instruction, maybe you even have a video, and you could show a screenshot of that video of how this is going to be put on, or you could even put the video right there and it shows them how easy this is to put on their eyes. Then it might help you get some of those buyers that are a little bit less certain about how it's going to work.